cuties, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Asia. I am a zero-based budgeter out of San Diego, California. I'm currently on a debt-free journey with my husband, and I'm here to share the journey with all of you guys. Oh my gosh, trying to get all that out in one breath is tough. These rappers, I don't know how they do it. If you are a returning cutie, thank you very much for your continued support. I truly appreciate you. Today is going to be so exciting because I'm completing my 52-week challenge. I'm completing it. I'm going to unstuff it and we're going to count it together. And oh my gosh, to get this done before the end of the year, like I'm so excited. Here we go. So this, you guys might know that this is it's a big part of my savings challenge videos. The only ones that I needed to fill are these middle four right here. And I promise you, I have it. All right, here we go. We're gonna go into my wallet because, ta-da! Okay, so because I did not do a savings challenge video because my husband's paycheck, we did the sinking funds and that was it. I paid extra on our car loan and we did his student loan. So, I didn't have too much to work with, but because I got paid for I got paid for 2 orders and like whatever else I had, I don't know, but pretty much most of this came from Shopify. So I'm so excited. Somebody ordered a budget book, so I'll be making that in the next couple of days. And then someone ordered the Demon Slayer scratch offs, and shameless promo. If you guys haven't already seen, I have each and every single month Demon Slayer, Debt Slayer themed scratch offs. You want to run, you don't want to walk. These are already listed in the shop and it does come with an envelope already. I just don't have it in one so that I could show you guys. But like, I love them. I love them. I cannot wait until the next year. I'm going to personally be doing these also. But yeah, so I got an order for this. I packed it up, I shipped it out. And yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to see these either in someone's videos or just on Instagram, or just if people want to do them on their own, that's fine too. But I'm so proud of it. It's my first scratch off creation. So, okay. Now, let's count this. 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. That is well over that for sure. So we're looking at 24. That's that. And then 26. And that's 25. Let's just say 30 with an extra 10. And I'm actually just going to put this all in envelopes. Right? And don't say anything. I know I'm going to put it in and then we're going to take it out. It's fine. So 10. And this is technically the 26, but we're putting 30. 25 instead of 24. Okay. Y'all, the way I've been so impatient to color the rest of these, and oh my gosh. Okay. Here we go. This is not 52 envelopes because I did have to make change. So I took out some 1s, took out some 5s, put in some 20s, put in some 10s. But either way, I was able to fill every single teacup. And I almost cannot breathe in a good way, right? In the best way. I just cannot believe that I've been able to save this money. And okay, here we go. I might end up just speeding this up so you guys don't have to see it. Like, go hella slow. Yeah, I'll do that. Whew, okay. Here it is, you guys. All of my 52-week teacup challenge. Whew. We're gonna have to write this down. We're gonna have to write this down for sure. Oh, don't mind that. All right. So we have 20s, we have 10s, 5s, and 1s. All right. So we'll go from largest to smallest because we all know counting ones is a pain in the butt. Here we go. So we're looking at 20, 40, 60, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20. We've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And the 5s, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So 145. And then the 1s. Here we go. Whew. All right. So, gotta make sure. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 65. Now, I'm not great at math, but I have a feeling that's a pretty big number, right? Okay, let me do this. Whoa, let me do this math and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did the math, right? I saved $690 with this challenge. $690. And originally, when I made it, I was only supposed to save $662. Now I have overages because, you know, like if I had a 10, but I had $12 sitting in the tray that was left, I would just put in the 12. You know what I mean? So it just all added up to a nice $690. And this money is actually going to go into my PC upgrades. And I'm going to take it to the bank, and I'm not going to do it today, but I cannot believe it's done. I can't believe it's done. And I'm going to do this again because I'm going to be saving for Fred's PC next. So I do have a couple hundred more to go, but for the most part, this is like the bulk of it because I already have like another 300 in the sinking fund itself of PC upgrades. So you guys got to see it. You guys got to see it. Okay, let me do this. Let me do this spread real quick. Hold on. All right. So look at that, you guys. Look at that. Now, I just want to say, before anything else, do not compare your journey to anybody else's. Do not compare your income, your profits, your losses. Compare it to nobody because everyone is different. And I want to say at the end of the year, we all stress about money. We stress about gifts. We stress about monetary things. We stress about, you know, are we going to be able to get a flight to and from, yada, yada. But realistically, everyone's got a different situation. And I just want to let you guys know that whether you are high income and you get a lot done, you get a lot saved during the year, great. But if you are also low income or middle income, whatever you guys classify that as, you guys are just as valid. And saving money and paying debt is a climb for everybody. So before I go, I just want to leave you guys with this little nugget of knowledge or motivation, hopefully. If you guys are struggling this season, you guys are, you know, stressed, you guys are worried about anything, just keep looking forward. Keep looking forward. This is not going to be where everything stops. We all get to celebrate a new year, starting fresh, and I believe in you guys. Okay? If you guys got to the end of the video, I really do truly appreciate you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And thank you guys for rooting me on and cheering me on. Thank you so much. Go ahead and like and subscribe and comment if you want. All of those nice things. And I'm going to get this in a safe envelope. And I'll see you guys next video. Okay? Bye.